Me and Bella are racing today for daily earnings. Loser has to give up their entire daily Instacart earnings to the other person. Today we're racing to see who can make the most by 3 p.m. And I have $0. I've made $0 and Bella has a batch right now that she's delivering. How much is this? 50. $50. Yo, Bella has 50 bucks and I have 0. The loser has to give the other person their daily earnings. That's yo. Yeah, you're a part of it. She didn't know I was doing this, but it's happening. Bet, deal. Pound on it, boom, deal. Hey, your odds are better than mine right now because you're in the lead, so I gotta hurry up. We gotta get a batch, Focus up. I don't know what I got myself into because Bella is actually leaving with a $50 batch and I have 0. I didn't make anything yet, so I gotta hurry up. I gotta focus up. I just got a 31 10 miles. I gotta hurry up. Me and Bella are racing today. The loser has to give the other person their daily earnings.
Oh, really?
Yes. And she's beating me. She got a 50 right now. She's delivering. I'll see you, Kev. So this batch took way too long, to be honest. I finished it quick, but still, it was an annoying batch. Great. We're behind the giant school bus. Gotta love that. What you doing?
Checking out.
What'd you get?
40.
Where? Bella got another 40. I'm only at 30. I'm playing catch up now. I gotta catch up. Woo! All right, so I swiped the 50. I'm doing it right now. And Bella's right behind me with a 50. She got a 50. Oh my goodness. So what are you at for the day? What? 150? Because you already at 100? Oh my gosh, I'm only at 80. She's at 150. This is so bad. I gotta hurry up. Let's go. Running it up. This will put me at 120 I think, but Bella's at 150. I don't know if she got another batch yet. Hey yo, so family, this puts us at the tie. Me and Bella are at a tie right now with this batch right here. Boom. $47 Costco. And she hasn't gotten a batch yet, so I've gotten 2. So we're tied up right now at like 150. It's gonna be good. It's gonna be close. This is gonna be close. So here's the situation. It is slow for everybody. It's slow for me. It's slow for my bro right here.
Everybody's baccalaureate.
And it's slow for Bella. It's slow for Bella. Hey, but I think, what are you at for the day?
121.
You're not in the competition though. You're at 121, but Bella, what are you at for the day?
Hold on, 175.
175, and this, I'm the only one that got a batch right now. I swiped a 46 delivery only. That's gonna take me a little while, and I'm at 156. Yup, plus 46. I'm in the lead right now. 156 for 46.
Okay, it's okay. I'm about to swing the 70.
It's 2 o'clock. Okay.
Thank you.
All right, so I'm at 202 after completing this batch. I'm in the lead. It is slow for everybody, but I'm in the lead. So let's get it. How you feel about that? I need a cart boot.
I can't do that.
Oh, that's how you doing me? No, what was you at again? 175. All you need is one batch to take it. That's why I said we're stopping at 3 o'clock. Oh man, so as I was loading my carts into the car, Bella got a, what? What'd you get?
A 43.
So what does that put you?
Costco.
What does that put you?
218.
218?
Yes.
But that's like only, yo, I'm 205 or 202 with this order. 16 bucks ahead of me. Oh my gosh. I gotta hurry up. It's officially, it's 3:11. It's 3:11 p.m. So I just delivered that order and I am at wait, let me see. I'm at 203. What are you at right now? 215. 215, you mother sucker. Oh. Hey, so okay. So I'm a man of my word. I lost. At 3 o'clock, I was at 202 and you was at 215 or something. So I'm on Cash App right now and I'm posting it in right now. 202. All right, and I'm about to send it to you right now. All right, so I'm sending it to you right now. Boom.
Thank you. I got it. Thank you.
You got it?
Yeah, we gotta do this more often.
Shut up. Yo, hey, I lost. Hey, but if anybody want to challenge me, yo, I want to redeem myself. Yo, we going double or nothing. Yo, we going to do a double or nothing. It's going to be a round 2. Yo, peace and love. Yo, I'm out of here.